Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I'm super excited because I have something that just came in the mail. It is my Ipsy box, my Open Studios box. So the reason why I'm so excited about this though is because this time they sent us the Glam Bag X box. So normally, I don't know if you guys are aware, but so I am part of the Ipsy content creators, and I get every month a Glam Bag, a Glam Bag Plus and just a Glam Bag gifted to me, and then I open it for you guys. Sometimes I'll use the products, sometimes I'll just post the products over on my Instagram, but I'm super excited because this month they did an upgrade to our box. So it's the Ipsy Glam Bag by Alicia, gifted by Ipsy. So basically we are getting, it's the empowered state of mind. And the key to empowerment, sometimes it's about blasting a power anthem, sticking to a self-care ritual, or grounding yourself with affirmations. Just ask music icon Alicia Keys, who's inviting you to step into your power with her limited edition Glam Bag X collection. So I'm super excited about that. This is what it looks like, actually. And then there's Miss Alicia Keys, the beautiful Alicia Keys. So let's see, I've gotten several things in this box. Ooh. Oh, it's nice and like cool outside. Anyways, because it's getting ready to rain, so that makes me super happy. But yeah, so I'm going to open this up. So we got the Obsidian Facial Roller from the Keys Soul Care. And this is what it looks like. Inside it says, I am strong, capable, and unstoppable. So this is what it looks like, and it's very cool. You're just supposed to roll it on your face. It'll help like depuff areas. Very nice. Very cool. Very cooling. I don't know if there's directions on here. Treat yourself to a gentle, stimulating massage with our Obsidian Roller. Obsidian stone is volcanic glass created from quickly cooled lava. The roller will feel cool to the touch, helping skin feel revitalized while improving skin tone and texture. For an enhanced experience, use with the Skin Transformation Cream to help absorb easily into the skin. Oh, starting at the neck. Gently roll upward and outward in smoothing strokes. Continue making your way to the face with rolling motions across the chin, cheeks, eye area, and forehead. Use as desired for more invigorating experience. Place the roller in the refrigerator a few minutes before using. Oh. So I have used rollers before. I am excited about this, and I will be placing it in the fridge to see how it feels even colder. So that's exciting. So we got the, there it is, Perricone MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. I really like the Perricone products. I usually get them from BuzzFeed, and I review a lot of the products for BuzzFeed. So it removes impurities for a brighter, smoother, clearer looking complexion. So I do like vitamin C in products, so I am excited about this. So I will definitely be using this. All right, we have this Skin Transformation Cream from Keys Soul Care. So this box looks like it's probably mainly a skincare box. So Keys Soul Care. And I think that's what it said to use with this. Skin Transformation Cream. So I don't know if this is, yeah, this is Skin's Transformation Cream. So you use the roller with this cream. It's really a beautiful bottle. I love the color purple. Purple is my favorite color. Ooh, and it doesn't smell bad at all. It smells very clean. It doesn't smell, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't smell like super. I bet this will feel really good on my skin. I mean, already the back of my hand looks great. So I'll definitely be using those together. This is super exciting. All right, we also have the Be Luminous Exfoliator from Keys Soul Care. So looks like we got pretty much the whole lineup of Alicia Keys skincare. So this is the bottle, and it's nice glass. It says, I am layered, complex, and divine. What did this one say? I welcome all circumstances as catalysts for change. Very cool. All right. Let's see. And the last, or I've got more things I should probably. And this is a cool steam mask. Ooh. This is exciting. I'm excited for this. So it comes with the Cool Steam eye mask. And you can like put it on your eyes. And you put these little packages inside. Heat cell insert. Insert in the eye mask sleeve. Patches will warm up within 30 seconds. Ooh, I am excited for these. I love using masks on the eyes, and then these little gel, they go inside the eye mask as well. Oh, I'm super happy with this. Heat clear gels in the microwave on low for 10 to 15 seconds. I cannot wait to use this. Super excited about that. Okay. I'm running out of room on my desk here. Then we have Bobbi Brown's Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. It is in a brown color, which I'm okay with. It is just like a shiny brown. It's very pretty. I cannot imagine that'll look any different from some of my other products that I have. But it is Bobbi Brown, so let's see, it does look like it smudges out. Very cool. I'm actually really happy with this box. I mean, if I had paid for this box, I would still have been happy for this box, so. And then we got the Instantly Sexy Lips from Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection. Let's see if they make me have instantly sexy lips. Instantly sexy? Who knows? But we will find out. Says 93% said lips looked more fuller and plump. 97% said delivers instant results. 97% said lips felt moisturized. So we'll see. By the end of this video, if it doesn't look better, then I guess it didn't work. Or maybe those people had bigger lips. I do not have huge lips, so there's that. And then we got Lawless Beauty, and this is from, it's called the baby one. And this is super cute. Super cute. I'm going to swatch these. That is the top row. It is very heavy on the mattes. It's not bad. I mean, I like matte shadows. I just don't like all matte looks. I like to have, you know, the shimmer in there too. So my lips are a little tingly, I must say. The shadows feel very, this is the bottom row, they feel very creamy. And my lips are tingling. Those are really pretty shadows. So I'll definitely have to use these items for you guys, but I am very, very happy about this box. So thank you so much, Ipsy, and Ipsy Open Studios for sending this to me. I really like the box. I love the surprise of the Glam Bag X. If anyone has any questions about Ipsy, definitely message me and I can answer your questions for you, for sure. I'm pretty sure I have an invite code down below, and if you're interested in anything else, just let me know and I will help you out. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it, and thank you for just sticking with me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.